Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. In this lesson we're going to speak about present continuous tense. Where, how, and why we use present continuous tense. Let's find out. My dear friends, before we start, just pay attention to this example situation. Sarah is in her car. She is on her way to work. She is driving to work. Yes, she is driving. This means she is driving now at the time of speaking, right? So the action is not finished. So guys, this is the right pattern. Am is are plus ing is the present continuous. So we have I am or like I'm driving. He, she, it is like he's working or she's working. And we, you, they are like we're doing, they're doing. I am doing something, which means I started doing it and I haven't finished. I'm in the middle of it. Pay attention to these examples. Please don't make so much noise. I'm trying to work, not I try to work. Where is Mark? He's having a shower, not he has a shower. Let's go out now. It isn't raining anymore, not it doesn't rain. How is your new job? Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? What's that all noise? What is going on? What is going on or what's happening? Guys, sometimes the action is not happening at the time of speaking. For example, Steve is talking to a friend on the phone. He says, I'm reading a really nice, good book at the moment. It's about a talented man. So here, Steve says, I'm reading, but he's not reading the book at the time of speaking. So action is not happening at the time of speaking, right? He means that he started reading the book, but he has not finished it yet. He is in the middle of reading it. Some more examples. Kate wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian, but perhaps she isn't learning Italian at the time of speaking. Some friends of mine are building their new house. They hope to finish it next summer. You can use the present continuous with today, this week, this year, etc. Periods around now. For example, you are working hard today, not you work hard today. Yes, I have a lot to do. The company I work for isn't doing so well this year. So you can use the present continuous with today, this year, this week, periods around now. So my dear friends, we use present continuous when we talk about a change that has started to happen. We often use these verbs in this way. Getting, becoming, changing, improving, starting, beginning, increasing, rising, falling, and growing. For example, is your English getting better? Not does your English get better. The population of the world is increasing very fast, not increases. At first, I didn't like my job, but I'm starting to enjoy it now. Not I start to enjoy it now. That's not correct. Now, guys, let's practice. You have a little time to think and give the correct answer. So, are you ready? Let's do it. I want you to put the verb in the correct form. Positive, like I'm doing, or negative, like I'm not doing something. So, let's do it. Please don't make so much noise. Yes, the correct answer is I'm trying to work. Let's go out now. The correct answer is It isn't raining or it's not raining anymore. You can turn off the radio. Yes, we say you can turn off the video. I'm not listening to it. Number 4. Kate phoned last night. She's on holiday with friends. So the correct answer is yes. She's having a great time and doesn't want to come back. Andrew started evening classes recently. And the correct answer is he's learning Japanese. Good for him. Powell and Sarah have had an argument and now. That's right, we say they're not speaking to one another. They're not speaking to one another. Number 7. Tim is taking the day off. So we usually say Tim isn't working today. He has taken the day off. 8. I for Sophie. Do you know where she is? So we usually say, I'm looking for Sophie. Do you know where she is? That's right. The situation is already very bad, and now the situation is already very bad, and now it's getting worse. Yes, it's getting worse. That's the correct one. The washing machine has been repaired. So the correct one is it's working now. Bravo, perfect. It's working now.